Welcome to the exciting world of domain flipping. If you're looking for a lucrative online business opportunity, then you've come to the right place. Domain flipping is all about buying and selling domains for profit, and with the right strategies in place, you can turn this into a successful venture. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about domain flipping in 2023. From understanding what it is and how to do it effectively, to finding valuable domains and mastering the art of selling them at a profit, we've got you covered. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the captivating realm of domain flipping. By following our expert tips and tricks, you'll be well equipped to flip domains like a pro and generate significant profits along the way. Let's get started. What is domain flipping? Domain flipping is a lucrative online business strategy that involves buying and selling domains for profit. It's like real estate in the digital world, where you purchase valuable domain names at a low price and then sell them for a higher price to interested buyers. The concept behind domain flipping is simple. You find undervalued or expired domains with potential, purchase them at a reasonable cost, and then resell them to individuals or businesses who are willing to pay more for those domains. The goal is to identify domains that have inherent value either due to their keyword relevance, brandability, or market demand. Flipping domains requires research skills and knowledge of current market trends. You need to stay updated on popular niches, industry keywords, and emerging trends in order to spot opportunities for profitable domain acquisitions. Additionally, it's important to understand the factors that make a domain valuable: length, memorability, brandability, search engine optimization, SEO, potential. By strategically acquiring and selling these sought-after assets through platforms such as auction sites or private sales negotiations, you can turn your investments into substantial profits. So whether you're an experienced web entrepreneur looking for new avenues of income or just starting out in the online business world, domain flipping offers an exciting opportunity worth exploring. How to flip a domain. Flipping a domain refers to the process of buying a domain name and then selling it for a higher price, generating profit in the process. If you're looking to dive into this lucrative venture, here are some steps to guide you along the way. Research is key. Look for domains that have potential value or appeal to specific industries or target markets. Consider popular keywords and trends that could make a domain desirable. Once you've identified your target niche, start searching for available domain names that align with your criteria. Next, evaluate the market demand and competition for similar domains. This will help determine whether there's potential for profit in flipping your chosen domain. Analyze factors such as search volume, brandability, and overall market interest. After securing a promising domain name at an affordable price from reputable registrars or auction platforms like Sita or GoDaddy Auctions, focus on increasing its value through optimization techniques. This may involve improving its SEO by adding relevant content, building quality backlinks, and enhancing its overall online presence. Once your domain is ready to be sold at a premium price point, consider listing it on popular marketplace platforms like Flippa or Afternic. sections highlighting the unique features and benefits of owning the domain. Be patient but persistent when waiting for potential buyers. Negotiations may take time as both parties try to reach an agreement on price. Remember that timing can play an important role in successfully flipping domains. Keeping up with industry trends can help you spot opportunities quickly. In conclusion, avoid using these words. Successfully flipping domains requires careful research, evaluation of market demand, optimization strategies, effective marketing tactics, and patience throughout the selling process. By following these steps diligently, never conclude. You can increase your chances of turning a profitable sale. The different types of domains. The world of domain flipping is vast and diverse, with various types of domains available for potential buyers. Understanding the different types of domains can help you navigate this market and make informed decisions when it comes to buying and selling. We have generic top-level domains, GTLDs. These are the most common types of domains and include extensions such as .com, .net, and .org. GTLDs are highly sought after due to their recognition and credibility in the online sphere. Next up are country code top-level domains, CCTLDs, which are specific to a particular country or geographic region. Examples include UK for the United Kingdom, J for Germany, or CA for Canada. CCTLDs can be valuable if you're targeting a specific audience or market. There's also the option of new generic top-level domains, new GTLDs, that were introduced in recent years. These include extensions like blog, online, or even industry-specific ones like photography or shop. While they may not hold as much prestige as traditional GTLDs yet, they offer unique branding opportunities. Additionally, there's the realm of expired or dropped domains. These are previously registered domains that have become available again due to non-renewal by their previous owners. Expired domains can range from highly valuable ones with established traffic and backlinks to those with untapped potential waiting to be unlocked. We have premium domain names, short, catchy names that often consist of popular keywords or phrases that resonate with users. Premium domain names tend to command higher prices due to their desirability and brandability. Understanding these different types of domains allows you to identify which ones align best with your goals as a domain flipper. By knowing what makes each type unique and valuable in its own way, you'll be better equipped to make strategic decisions when buying and selling domains. What to look for when buying a domain. When it comes to buying a domain for flipping, there are several key factors to consider. These factors can greatly impact the potential profit you can make from selling the domain in the future. First and foremost, you need to look for domains that have a strong market demand. This means choosing domains that are relevant and appealing to a wide audience. Consider popular keywords or industry-specific terms that are frequently searched for online. Additionally, it's important to evaluate the overall quality of the domain. Look for domains with short and memorable names, as these tend to perform better in terms of resale value. Avoid hyphens or numbers in the domain name if possible, as they can make it harder for potential buyers to remember or type correctly. Furthermore, pay attention to any existing traffic or backlinks associated with the domain. Domains with established website traffic or high-quality backlinks can be more attractive to buyers who are seeking immediate visibility and credibility. Keep an eye out for any trademarks or copyright issues related to the domain name. It's crucial not only from an ethical standpoint but also legally speaking, as owning a trademark domain could lead to legal trouble down the line. By carefully considering these aspects when purchasing a domain, you increase your chances of finding valuable assets that can be flipped for profit in 2023 and beyond. How to sell a domain. When it comes to selling a domain, there are several strategies you can employ to maximize your profit. First and foremost, pricing is key. You want to set a price that is attractive to potential buyers while still reflecting the value of the domain. Conducting market research can help you determine a competitive price point. Next, you'll need to effectively market your domain. Utilize social media platforms, online marketplaces, and industry forums to reach out to potential buyers. Create compelling listings with detailed descriptions highlighting the unique features and benefits of your domain. In addition, consider reaching out directly to individuals or companies who may have an interest in your domain. This could involve sending personalized emails or making phone calls. Building relationships with potential buyers can lead to successful sales. Make sure the transfer process is smooth for both parties involved. Use reputable escrow services or platforms that specialize in domain transactions for added security and peace of mind. By employing these strategies and staying proactive throughout the selling process, you increase your chances of successfully flipping domains for profit in 2023. Conclusion. In this Domain Flipping Guide 2023, we have explored the exciting world of flipping domains for profit. We've covered everything from understanding what domain flipping is to how to successfully flip a domain and make a tidy sum. Domain flipping can be a lucrative venture if approached with knowledge and strategy. By acquiring valuable domains and marketing them effectively, you can attract potential buyers and secure profitable sales. Remember to consider the different types of domains available, such as expired or premium domains, depending on your budget and goals. Conduct thorough research before purchasing a domain to ensure it has market value and potential demand. When selling a domain, utilize various platforms like online marketplaces or auctions to reach a wide audience. Craft compelling listings that highlight the unique qualities of your domain, making it irresistible to potential buyers. Keep in mind that success in domain flipping requires patience, persistence, and continuous learning. Stay updated with industry trends and emerging niche markets to stay ahead of the competition. So go ahead, dive into the world of domain flipping armed with our comprehensive guide. Start exploring opportunities today by finding undervalued domains that have untapped potential waiting to be unleashed. Remember, with strategic planning and careful execution, you too can become an expert at flipping domains for profit in 2023. Happy flipping!